Hi, this is Mark Malberg with Verified Technologies. In this BrakeView video, we're going to take on the topic of loading and saving data. So let's go ahead and go to our menu and choose Load Data. And when we do this, we're presented with a directory structure. If you notice in BrakeView at the very top of the directory structure, we see My Device. BrakeView runs on Windows CE, which is very much like Windows, but instead of saying My Computer, it's referred to as My Device. Underneath My Device, you'll see a folder Flash FX. That's your primary location for storing and loading data. The Flash FX folder actually represents a hard drive, or more specifically, a flash drive, sort of like a USB memory stick that's built into the system. So, to open up a folder, we're going to push the right arrow on the console. The left arrow collapses the tree, the right arrow expands the tree. And let's go ahead and cursor down and choose the two-lobed demo. Once we have that selected, we can press the Open button, and the system will load that file and present us with that measured data set. The process of saving data is very similar to the process we used to load data. In this case, we're going to go to the menu and choose the Save Data option. From here, we're presented with a directory structure much like the one we just saw. However, there are a few differences. The Save Data screen shows the current file name at the top. This is the file name that will be written when we hit Save. Below that is the directory or folder structure where that file will be placed. Now we can change that file at the top through the Edit button down on the bottom of the screen, but before we do that, I want to show you a trick. If there's an existing file name that you'd just like to change one character of, go ahead and select the existing file with the selection bar, press the Enter key to make it the active file name, and now edit it. In this case, let's edit the 11 into a 12. With our edits complete, we can now see that 12 POC is showing as our current file name. Our folder is correct, so we can simply press the Save button and our data will be saved. Now that we've stored data to the Flash FX drive on the BrakeView device, it may be useful to take the data off that drive and onto a memory stick or into your PC. In fact, this is a good idea because the flash drive isn't very big, it's only a few megabytes. So here's how we do that. First, we're going to exit out of the BrakeView system. So we'll press the Exit button on the console itself, and we're asked if we're sure that we want to exit. Now when we exit BrakeView, it's good to have a mouse on hand, so I'm going to go ahead and plug a mouse into a multi-port USB adapter. While I'm at it, I'm also going to plug my memory stick into that multi-port adapter so I can transfer the data to my memory stick. From here, it's a simple matter of double-clicking on My Device and opening up the Windows CE File Explorer. I can now navigate to the Flash FX drive and into my Data Files folder, where I can simply right-click and copy the data file and paste it into my USB drive. Once the file copy is complete, you can remove your memory stick and you can open those files on your PC. BrakeView files are BVW in terms of their extension for brakes, or BVR for BrakeView roundness measurement files. We'll learn more about those in an upcoming video. Those files can be opened in Excel or other spreadsheet programs by treating them as comma delimited files or comma separated values files. If you have any other questions on BrakeView, you can always reach us at brakeview.com. Thanks.